Hi guys. Hey guys, so I'm at 214 Fulton Ave in Millville. This house is amazing. Wait till you see it. I'm really excited. So I'm outside right now. Here is the home. So it's beautiful gray, which is completely in now. We have a fenced in yard, completely fenced in. Let's take a look at this backyard. You have so much space to entertain here. A really nice shed. Here's another door leading into the home, but we're gonna go in through the side door. You have a beautiful screened-in porch to sit out in the summer, spring and summer. So we're heading into the family room. There's beautiful hardwood floors here. As you can see, natural hardwood. We have a lot of natural light in here. Say hi to Andy. Hi. So we're here at the open house. Everyone just left, so we have a few minutes. So here's the dining room. Beautiful archways. Here's bedroom number 1. So you have a first floor bedroom, main floor, right next to a bathroom. Here's a full bathroom here. You have washer and dryer. Lots of storage space in this home. Here's your kitchen. You have stainless steel appliances. Nice, clean kitchen. All right, so we're gonna head upstairs. We're gonna see Andy again. Say hi, Andy. Hi. Hey, we had a really great open house today too. There's some talk of some offers, so we're excited. So hurry if this is something that you want to see. We have to get you in ASAP. So we're gonna head into the master bedroom. Here you have a lot of light. You have natural hardwood floors on the second floor as well. All right. Bedroom number 3. This is a really nice size. You have built-in cabinetry, which is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful shelving. All right, we're gonna head down the hallway. We're gonna head into the bathroom. Here's a full-size bath with a ton of light. And here's bedroom number 4. Again, you have your built-in shelves and built-in cabinetry. Take a look at these closets. Huge closets. You have 2 extra closets on either side of the hallway as well. So come find us, 214 Fulton Ave in Millville. See ya.